Coking coal is a typical coking coal with moderate volatilization and good cohesiveness. It can form a colloidal body with good thermal stability when heated. The ball press can be used to press into a group, convenient and practical. The hydraulic system is one of the main parts of the ball press in the hydraulic control system of the coking coal ball press, which mainly plays the role of ensuring the forming pressure and overload protection. Among them, the basic circuit is composed of solenoid valve, hydraulic cylinder, pipeline, speed control valve, cylinder, and other hydraulic system. Solenoid valve controls the on-off of the pressure liquid and the reversing of the actuator. The cylinder is the basic part of the actuator to bear the load, output power and torque. The speed regulating valve is used to adjust the running speed of the hydraulic cylinder to meet the requirements of different speed of the load.